welcome back to the channel. So I've got another double flip through. I just thought it's easier to group them together because they're from the same artist. So I've got these two which I came across. It's Fuzzy MEOWVIES and Mojidoo. There's 1 and 2. So artwork for this book is illustrated by Lily Snow. So it's all real people, which is good to know. So I'll start with the first one. So like the Demi's Colouring Corner books, I've gone through, well, the first one I did, but the second one I should already put them in. But this one doesn't put the names on the pages, so I've gone through and put the names in for each movie. The second one does include a list, but they're all like catified, which made it a little bit hard to figure some of them out if I didn't know them. But yeah, so we've got some introduction pages, a little welcome page with some items you can colour, so you can almost use these as test pages if you wanted. Then we've got our books belonging to page with a little cat Charlie Chaplin here. Then we've got pattern ideas for colouring and a colour test page. So this is Titanic. So yeah, this is simple, cosy books again, but I know not for everyone, but I like movies and stuff, so I thought these were quite cute. So yeah. Again, you can make them as detailed or as not detailed as you want. And you've got Up, you've got Kevin. Got E.T. I knew most of these, but not all of them. This is Charlie Chaplin. Whether it's a specific movie, I do not know. And we've got La La Land. I have not seen it, but I recognise this scene, so. And I've seen kind of coloured illustrations. I don't know. And we've got The Little Mermaid. Little Sebastian. I don't know why, he's just funny. I might do that for Mermaid, maybe. We've got Home Alone. We've got Tangled. Harry Potter. Marilyn Monroe. Again, I don't know if this is a specific movie that she was in or not. Aladdin. I didn't rub out the thing, so I went through and wrote it in pencil first, also I was trying to figure them out. The Godfather. Shrek. Avatar. I need to watch that again. I haven't seen it for ages, and I haven't seen the second one because I haven't seen the first one for ages. I've got The Nun. I love this one. And we got Frozen. Pirates of the Caribbean. The little crab is funny. Brave. We've got Sherlock Holmes. Alice in Wonderland. Doctor Strange. Moana. I think this is supposed to be Hey Hey, but he's not exactly a chicken, but he's still got the like book. Put that down there. I've got another Harry Potter one. This one confuses me because I'm pretty sure Hagrid wasn't there when Harry went through the gazebos with the Weasleys, wasn't he? Hey ho. I love this one. It was A Nightmare Before Christmas. I think this was the image I saw down on the Amazon page that like basically sold me them. I was like, I need that. This one I didn't know, but I found it out through Googling. There's someone in a Facebook group was also trying to find out what this one was. It's Everything Everywhere All at Once. I had never heard of that one before. it's very confusing with all these like weird long finger hands and stuff. But yeah, I have to maybe look up that movie before I collect this. Anyway, there's Kung Fu Panda, Coco. I love Coco. Greatest Showman with puppies. The Hunger Games. And this is the Mitchells versus the Machines, which is another one I didn't really know. I have made a list at the back that I can tick off. And that's that, and it's just a little thank you page for that. And then we've got the second one. So same kind of intro pages. And yep. Then we've got the book belongs to page with Woody here. Pattern ideas, test cover page, then into the thing. Now this is movies, but there are a few TV shows in here which confused me, but hey ho. So this is Friends. I'll show you what you mean up back actually. So this is their list, so you can tick that off. This is why I didn't tick list in the back of the other one. But they're all catified. So we've got Friends. This all like cat ones. Cat punified, I don't know. But some of them were really confusing to work out what they were. So anyway, I wanted the proper names. Just anyhow, it's Friends, and I've got Game of Thrones. Again, TV show. Why is it in here? I've got Stranger Things. Cool image, but also a TV show. Lord of the Rings. The Dark Knight. Annabelle. The Simpsons movie. Spider Pig. Spider Pig. This is How I Met Your Mother. I didn't know this one. Again, it's a TV show though, isn't it? Anyway, this is Joker. And there's another Friends one. We've got Cinderella. And we've got It. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the Tim Burton version. With Johnny Depp for Wonka. We got Hotel Transylvania. I love Hotel Transylvania. And my favourite movies. Some of my favourite movies. And we've got Toy Story. We've got Tarzan. Wednesday. Again, technically a series, but hey ho. Snow White. Karate Kid. Maleficent. I love this page, it's so cool. Squid Game, another series. I guess they just wanted to put all the sort of like popular series in here or something as well. They could have done a separate book. This all shows. Black Swan. Peter Pan. The Powerpuff Girls. How to Train Your Dragon. Gravity Falls. Again, it is another series, as is the Powerpuff Girls, that was it. But, oh well. I love this one, I like Gravity Falls. No, Hellboy. Dragon Ball. Is it Dragon Ball or Dragon Balls? I don't know. I know it's an anime. Anyway, that one. Megamind. I love Megamind. Hercules. And this one I couldn't work out for ages because it just said, what was it? It said Claw War. I'm like, no. But then I realised this was Captain America. And I'm like, this kind of looks like Iron Man. And then I worked it out. So So it's Captain America Civil War. I haven't seen that one, but I found a poster that was Captain America like versus Iron Man, so I was like, hang on, it's probably that then. Then we got another Shrek, and I've also forgotten about that. Hello Donkey. We got Beauty and the Beast. So yeah, so some of them you can work out, others is just like what. But anyway. MEOWVIES. Yeah. And then here they got bonus images from the first one. She got Tangled and a Little Mermaid, the colour in here as well from the first one, and another thank you page. So yeah, so that is those two. So thank you for watching. I will leave links down below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.